What's up guys, Ashley here with another project. I am going to be showing you how I built this DIY plant stand. So the first thing I did was just cut up all the wood. If you are looking for the plans and measurements, be sure to check the blog post. The link will be down in the description below. Once I got all the lumber cut, I used my handy dandy Kreg jig, one of my favorite tools, and I set it to 1.5 inches, and then I started screwing in pocket holes into the sides of the plant stand. You won't see it in the video, but I put a pocket hole on the inside of the plant stand and also on the top to help me while screwing it in. I used my Kreg right angle clamp to clamp the slate in place so then I could screw the pocket hole screws into the top. And I am using my new DeWalt drill. It actually came in a combo kit with the impact driver as well. Super light, super fun, and a super good tool to use. For the slates on the bottom of the plant stand, I'm using those blue screws, which are 2.5 inch pocket hole screws by Kreg. I use these all the time. Absolutely love them. Absolutely love pocket holes. They are my favorite. For the very top piece of the plant stand, I had to readjust my Kreg jig to 3/4 inches, and I'll be using 1 1/4 inch screws, which are those silver screws that you see in my DeWalt organizer. I really love this DeWalt impact drill and driver combo kit because anytime I'm using pocket holes, I use the impact driver to actually drill the holes and then a regular drill to drill in the screws. So to attach the top piece, I put a 1/4 inch piece of plywood underneath just to give the right amount of spacing, and then I use my Kreg right angle clamp to clamp in the sides and then screw in the top, and then I screwed in the bottom. Then I put my Kreg jig back on a 1.5 inch setting to screw in the pocket holes for the sides of the plant stand. I started attaching the side slates of the plant stand so that I could join the two sides together. I just used a little bit of Gorilla Glue and screwed them in using pocket hole screws. Once I was finished screwing in the last slate, I took the other side of the plant stand and placed it on top so that I could assemble them together. Once the plant stand was all assembled, I added the two top pieces and just used a brad nailer to secure it into place. Now that the frame of the plant stand is all assembled together, it was time to add the plywood surfaces. So in order to make sure everything was even, I marked the 2x2s on the 4 corners so that I could cut out the notches. This was a super easy step. Once I marked the 4 corners, I just used my bandsaw to cut out the 4 notches, and then I slid the plywood and cut it in half just so that it could fit into the plant stand. I was a little worried about cutting it in half at first just because I wasn't sure how it would look when it was finished, but I just used some wood filler to fill it in, and once I painted it, you could barely tell that it was cut in half. Then I used a brad nailer to nail the plywood to the plant stand, and that was it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Later, guys.